In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add FAQ sections in Practice Better, a software that's designed to help streamline your practice management. If you're looking for a way to keep your clients informed without having to answer the same questions over and over, this video is for you. Stay tuned till the end because I'll also be sharing some alternative platforms that might work even better for your needs. Let's dive in. First thing you need to do is log into your Practice Better account. Once you're in, navigate to the website tab in your dashboard. If you're already familiar with Practice Better, you know this is where most of the customization happens. But if you're new here, don't worry, I'll walk you through the whole process. Next, look for the FAQs section. This can usually be found under the Site Settings or similar tab. It's where you'll manage your frequently asked questions and responses. If you don't see it right away, you may need to check if it's already enabled or simply search for FAQ in the search bar of your admin panel. Once you're in the FAQ section, you can add a new question by clicking on the Add FAQ button. This will bring up a text box where you can type in the question. Make sure to phrase the question clearly so your clients know exactly what they're asking about. After that, you'll want to add a detailed answer. You can format the text with headers or bullet points to make it easy to read, which will help keep your clients engaged and reduce confusion. The third thing is to organize your FAQs. If you have a lot of them, consider grouping them by category. Practice Better allows you to organize these into sections, which is really helpful if your FAQs cover multiple topics. This will give your clients an easy way to navigate through the answers they need without feeling overwhelmed. Next, let's talk about customizing the display of your FAQ section. You can adjust the layout and make sure it matches the design of your practice's website. Practice Better offers different styles and themes, so you'll be able to match it with your brand. And here's something that many users overlook. Once your FAQ section is up, test it. Go through the questions and answers like a client would. This will ensure everything looks good and is functioning properly. It's also a good idea to update the section regularly, especially as your services evolve or as you get more questions from clients. Now, here's where it gets interesting. If you're finding Practice Better's FAQ section a bit limiting, you might want to check out some alternatives. While Practice Better does a good job in managing your practice, the FAQ section can be a bit rigid if you need more flexibility or features like embedding videos or advanced search options. At this point, if you're still watching, you're probably wondering if there's something better out there. Well, stick around because I've got some recommendations that offer even more customization options for your FAQ sections, and yes, they also have free trials. These alternatives are designed to work seamlessly with your practice, offering more robust features than Practice Better in some areas. Now, before I wrap things up, remember, we've got an exclusive offer for you. By using the link below, you'll get access to an extended free trial of Practice Better, but I also recommend checking out those alternatives that offer more for your specific needs. You'll get the best trial offers and some exclusive benefits, only available through our link. Thanks for watching. Check out the link in the description for more details and to get started with Practice Better or one of the alternatives that might be a better fit for you. Happy practicing!